In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete text in Soda PDF. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. The first one is you could go to the Edit tab up top here, and of course, you want to make sure you are on Edit and not on View up here. There we go. And then you can go and basically select any text like this, and as you can see, when I hover over it, it's going to show me like a rectangle around it. So I can simply click in here to select this rectangle, then I can click on the rectangle, press the Delete button on the keyboard, and there we go. I've successfully deleted that text box. However, if you simply want to delete a portion, simply go into that rectangle, select whatever you want to delete, press delete key on your keyboard, and there we go. That part of your text is going to get deleted. So that's the first way. However, if you're not looking to delete like this, but if you, for example, just want to redact your text, you could also do that by going to Secure up top. You want to click on Create Redaction, and then here you have two options. You could either hover over your text like this, and it's going to get redacted or marked for redaction, or you could go and just kind of draw rectangles with your left mouse button, and there we go, that's going to get redacted as well once you click on the Apply Redaction button up top, and then click on OK over here, and there we go. As you can see, it's applying redactions, and our redactions have now been done, and I have successfully deleted that text inside Soda PDF. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.